Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate pickleball theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the messenger. So click on that and first step you need to find Facebook Messenger. So search FB Messenger so you can get result quick. Okay, so here it is, click on that and you need to update Facebook Messenger. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open Facebook Messenger. Once you open, you simply need to select any conversation. Click on the person name on the top. Click on theme. And from here, you need to select pickleball. Click on select. And now you can see that pickleball theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.